Hello there and welcome to my first Java plugin tutorial. So today we're gonna talk about how to making your own Java plugin. So let's start the tutorial. Okay, here we are in the IntelliJ website. So you have to just download the community version of the IntelliJ, and you can just search in the Google that download IntelliJ or something like this. The ultimate version is you have to pay for it, but the community version is free. So we are going to use community version and let's download it. And if you need the link, I will put the link in the description. So the next step is downloading the Spigot jar file. I'm using 1.8.8 version of Spigot for this tutorial, but you can download whatever version you want. It will not make any difference or problems. And I'll put the link of a Spigot jar file in the description and you can easily download it. For the final step, you have to download the Java development kit and I will put the link in the description as well. Okay, here we are in the IntelliJ. So you can select your JDK that you installed in here, and then we're gonna select next, and you can just type your name, type the project name I mean. So we're just going to name it tutorial. Okay, let's go to finish it, this window. Okay, when your project created, you have to go to the project structure, then go to the libraries, click Java, and here just import your Spigot jar file that you downloaded with any version. Click OK and click OK again. Okay, now we're going to make a build output for our plugin. Click the plus here, select jar, and from models click OK. Then just delete the extracted Spigot jar file and click apply, click OK. Okay, now we're going to make a package for our project. We're going to name it main, and just right click on the package that you made and click Java class, and we're going to name it like tut, yeah, just like tutorial. Okay, hit enter and right click src again and create a file and name it plugin.yml. okay, so let's talk about the Java class that we made. You can just write your code for your plugin here, or just you can make another packages or Java classes and import it from there. So let's start the coding. Okay, so let's write extends Java plugin. Let's import the Java plugin class, and in the next line we're going to write add override public void unenable. So what we're going to do, we're going to set a console message when the plugin enabled, that the console just send a message for us to see like the plugin has been enabled and startup of the plugin. Okay, so we're going in the next line, write get logger.info and chat color, import the chat color from org.bukkit, chat color.translate alternate color codes. I will explain what it will do. Okay, here we're going to use add and then comma. Then we're going to type our message that we want to set in console and enable. So we're just going to set add a the plugin has been enabled. Okay, so let's go for the next step. Again, write add override. Okay, let me explain what it will do. So chat color that translate alternate color code, it will just translate this and letter to the colors like add a, it will be green. If you not set the translate alternate color codes, it will just write add a, but it's like white. But if you just set it, you can just write add a to change the color of the message like green. Yeah, we set it like green. Okay, so add override public void on disable. Okay, so now we're going to set, this is not necessary but you can have it. We're going to set on disable when the plugin or your server it got shut down, and chat color that translate alternate codes, and we're going to set add C, the plugin has been disabled. Okay, so this will, when your server just got shut down, oh, forget the comma. Okay, when your server just got shut down or you just stop it, it will send a message to console, the plugin has been shut down or disabled. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to make a new command in the server that is just send a message. Okay, so let's go to set public boolean on command. Okay, just remove the return super and the override, then just say if label that equals ignore case in the strings, just like say tutorial. Yes, and we're going to set player user player sender. Okay, then we're going to set the message. We're going to set user.send message chat color dot translate alternate color codes, and let's just make it comma string, and now we're going to set this is tutorial. Okay, it's fine, and we're going here to set return. Okay, sorry, I think we have to set it here. Return false. Okay, now we don't have any errors, and we cannot build it yet because we don't just set a plugin YAML for it. Okay, so let's set a plugin YAML. Let's first set name, just tutorial, and just set the version 1.0, and we are going to set main. We are going to set the main, the package of the name of package main.tut. Okay, so you can just set like description for it. This is a plugin, and let's set the command that we made. When you create a command in your code, let me just do this. Okay, so when you create a command in your code, you have to just set it in plugin.yml. So we're going to set commands and a tab, then just write a the command, we're gonna copy paste it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so then we're going to build it. Be sure to just set the artifact for it. We're going to set the artifact to my local host. Where is my local host? Here, plugins. Okay, then we're going to build it. Just click the build artifact and click enter. So let's go see what we made. Okay, here we are in Minecraft. So let's test the command that we made. Tutorial. Okay, that's working. And now you can see we just said this is tutorial in the code, and it just said this is tutorial in Minecraft. Okay, so thanks for watching this episode of Java plugin tutorial, and you can subscribe to my channel for other episodes, maybe in future. And if you had any question about this episode of Java plugin tutorial, you can just leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.